before we start with our questions from the press and from the media, we've got a few questions here as well for all of our guests here on stage. I'll throw in the first question siguro to you, Sir Ronnie. As we all know, there are different healthcare providers in the industry today. But how does eye care stand out from the rest?
Well, eye care, as I mentioned earlier, is the fastest growing issue in the country. And also, we provide affordable and yet sustainable pricing. So that actually differentiates us from the rest of the competition.
All right. Well, thank you very much for that, Sir Ronnie. Now, I want to go to Doc Mark naman. No? So, as we've seen in one of the videos earlier, some iconic orange parao set sail in Boracay a few weeks ago. Feeling ko nga nung pumunta ako doon, nakita ko rin siya. But it is very unique way also. It's a very unique way to show that who said yes to your brand, which obviously is Janine. No? So can you tell us more about this experience and why did you guys choose a parao to represent eye care?
Okay, it was very deliberate for our team to do the parao in Boracay. Diba, Boracay is known for a very special place for anniversaries, birthdays, even barkada, trip, ganyan. And of course, weddings, no? Saying yes. And with Janine saying yes to us, that's really a perfect area for us to do the Parao launch. And Parao, it's like a Filipino tradition to see, a symbol for Filipinos to see. And it's moving towards something better for us, a better care for everyone, for all Filipinos. And that's why we used Parao as Janine's launch in Boracay.
That is a beautiful symbolism. Totoo, no? Hindi ka pwede mag-Boracay, hindi ka nagpaparaw sailing sa sunset. And it really does show that. I want to go to Janine naman right now because, I mean, everyone here is curious already. And kanina pa natin paulit-ulit na tinatanong, bakit ka nga ba nag-yes sa eye care? What is it about eye care that made you trust their brand? And are there any specific eye care, specifics in eye care that you've seen that you've aligned with, no, your advocacies and your goals in life?
Yes, definitely. Kasi ako, I've always known the importance of support when it comes to healthcare. I don't talk about this a lot, but actually one of the reasons kung bakit ako nag-artista was so that I could earn, because my second mom, yung yaya ko since birth, she got cancer when I was in school. And syempre nakita ko yung hirap ng, bukod sa physical struggles, yung babayaran mo, nakita ko kung paano siya naglakad sa kung anong agencies to ask for financial help and support. And at first when I was younger, ayoko talaga mag-artista kasi nahihiya ako. Malayo talaga siya sa isip ko. Pero when it came to, trying to help my family, yun yung parang nag-push talaga sa akin na I need to earn kasi mahal magkasakit. No matter kung gaano kadaming naipon mo or kung malaki yung pamilya mo, pag nagkasakit ka, everything stops. So, anything with health is very, very important to me. And I really appreciated how one of the advocacies talaga ng eye care is affordable, reliable healthcare para sa lahat ng Pilipino na talagang napaka-importante. So, I'm so happy that, this is something that I really believe in and I know that we all really need to have na kapartner natin sa buhay.
Thank you for that, Janine. And I believe Sir Ronnie here and Doc Mark would agree as well that it's nice to hear from a brand ambassador of a brand such as eye care na hindi lang siya basta isa pang endorsement lang. No? It's not part of the list. There's actually a heart and a purpose and a message behind why you said yes to eye care. So palakpakan po natin si Janine. Now, those are all of my questions, but I'm pretty sure a lot of our friends here in the
we're known to be flexible. So we look at other factors aside from, computing the premium. We also want to try to negotiate with our partners, like our providers, the hospitals, doctors, clinics, and we negotiate for good price. So that's why we're able to come up with premium that is more affordable. And yeah, that's the direct impact of having an affordable premium. And also, using our data analytics, etc., and actuarial expertise, we're able to be quite flexible. Depends really on the needs and wants of our members, of our clients. So we can design several alternative designs, plan designs. So that's actually one of the things that we differentiate us from the rest of the competition. And very, very quick because of our expertise. And all our actions are backed by data.